back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the new KKW Beauty 4-step under eye brightening routine. Whether you guys are a fan or not of Kim Kardashian, you have to admit her makeup is always poppin'. She's setting makeup trends left and right. And I feel like one of her biggest makeup trends that she made popular was brightening the under eye area. I did get the entire collection, and that includes the color corrector, the concealer, the baking powder, and the brightening powder. And I went ahead and got the whole set, so that also included these two brushes as well. The collection that I purchased was the Custom Correct and Concealer Kit Bundle, and that's why it came with the two brushes as well. And it was super easy on the website. You just pick what color corrector you want and what shade concealer you'd like. And they already match you with the baking powder and the brightening powder that goes along with those shades. When it comes personally to my under eye area, I do have darker bluish tinted under eye circles, and I've always been kind of basic when it comes to covering them. I basically just use concealer and a translucent powder to set that. So it is new to me to use this color corrector, and the color corrector, the baking powder, and the brightener are all in the shade number 2, and I feel like that worked perfectly with my lighter complexion. And the concealer that I got was in the shade 4.5. It is the newest shade to her concealer shade range. So I wanted to try it because I've heard amazing things about her concealers. The whole collection retailed for $100, but you did get a lot of products. I feel like you got 4, 5, 6 items for $100. So if you guys are interested in seeing the KKW 4-step under eye brightening routine, then just keep watching. So the first step is to correct, and the correct neutralizes the look of discoloration, combating blue and purple tones commonly found in the under eye area. So the color correctors come in 4 different shades, and there's shade 1 that is pink, shade 2 is peach, that's the one I got, shade 3 is orange, and shade 4 is deep orange red. This color corrector really just canceled out those blue and purplish tones underneath my eyes. So I think I'm gonna be adding this to my everyday makeup routine because I was pretty impressed by the color corrector, and I never even knew that was something I needed in my makeup routine, and I'm really impressed by it. It blended out super good. It's very creamy and hydrating. So I'm really loving this corrector. The second step is to conceal, and the concealer shade that I purchased was 4.5. The concealer smooths the appearance of skin texture and brightens the under eye area. And this concealer, you guys, I was so impressed by. As you can tell, I had this side of my face on a little bit longer while I blended out this side. It didn't get gross or hard to blend, so it didn't dry down super fast, which I really appreciated because it kind of took me a while. Well, I was taking my time to blend out the concealer on this side of my face, and it concealed the corrector so good. I was kind of afraid, like, oh, is it gonna be like orangey or what? But no, it concealed it so bomb. And yeah, this concealer was really nice. The third step is to bake, and I did use the brush that came in the set. It's dual-ended. One side is kind of like a makeup sponge, and I really like the structure of it. It fit perfectly in the under eye areas to bake everything. And then the other side is kind of just like a fluffy brush, and I use that to sweep away all the rest of the bake once I was done baking. I left the baking powder on not too long, maybe like a minute, and just dusted it away with the other side of this makeup brush. And the fourth and last step is the brightening powder, and I use the flatter end of this brush that came with the set, and just really focused it on the inner corner of my eye, and then just kind of blended it out this way. And I honestly didn't think this was gonna do anything because it is shade number 2, the same as the baking powder. So I was like, but it totally brightened the under eye area. And I kind of went a little bit crazy with the brightening powder just because I was like, whoa, this is pretty cool. It's crazy. It's really brightening wherever I put this product at. So that is the whole 4-step under eye brightening routine from KKW Beauty. I feel like I'm never going to do my under eyes any differently. I just keep looking at myself in my mirror right here and I just can't believe just how good the under eye area looks, how bright and fresh. It looks so good. And all these products were just really good quality and so easy to work with. They blended good and I don't know, I just have nothing but good things to say about this brightening under eye routine. I don't know if this is really much of a review or just a tutorial because clearly I'm obsessed with these products. And do I feel like they're Laugh, Love, and Hippie approved? Hell yes, they're bomb. Go out and get them right now. And it would be hard for me to tell you guys only to get like a couple products because I feel like these 4 together are just the ultimate match made in heaven. Like I am obsessed. I love them. That's gonna wrap up this video on the KKW Beauty 4-step under eye brightening routine. I really hope this video helped you guys out if you were interested in these products, if you were just interested in how to brighten up and do color correcting on your under eyes. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. I love doing makeup reviews, makeup tutorials. I throw in a little bit of fashion here and there. I'm pretty much just all over the place, but I love sharing what I buy and what I use with you guys in hopes that it will help you guys out if you were interested in those products too. I hope you guys have the best day ever. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, hippies.